Hey everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday, the 22nd of May, 2021. And this is the weekly Ichimoku analysis for the Euro and the cable for the fourth week of May. Let's begin with the Euro. And after consolidating the previous week, and it has finally broken up higher, but into the resistance zone and pull back, a big pullback towards the end of the week, back close to the 55th retracement area again, and below the 786 retracement of this swing move. And this is after retesting this swing high here. Let's just mark this here. And that was at 122.43. Let's also take a look at the daily time frame, and yeah, that's where it hit on the Wednesday. And it has just been toggling up and down after hitting that and falling back to the 55th retracement and threatening to retrace even further, perhaps back down towards the 62.5 area, and that's where the daily Kijun is, right at just below 121. The 62.5 is at 121.03. Let's go back to the weekly time frame. So it looks as if momentum seems to be fading the second half of last week, and after hitting the swing high, so there could be signs of further pullback. And on the weekly time frame, yeah, the 55th is right there at the weekly Kijun. So we'll see if over the next couple of weeks it does pull back to retest this support area. That could be that should be a major support area. But for now, that means the US dollar will need to recover and rebound back up as well. And we'll see if that's the case for the next couple of weeks. And there's no major news as well for the Eurozone next week. So it's all technical based and without any fundamental drivers. So let's also take a look at the cable. And the cable, there's also no major news except for the Bank of England's governor giving his testimony on Monday. And it has also continued higher from the previous week after breaking above the 140, but then came out to retest the swing high, or the high of the year so far, and to within a couple of pips. It's at 142.36, and this high is at 142.34 area. And after hitting that, it pulled back to the 141.50 level. So that's a reaction there for this low part of the resistance zone. So there could be further downside and further retracement lower. And with the key support is at 140. Let's also take a look at the daily time frame. And that was just on Friday where we tested the swing high for the year. And we'll see how much it's going to retrace further, and it's still above the Kumo, so it's not bearish yet, but in the short term there's a retracement, possible retracement. If there's a doji here that could give us an indication that's yeah, it's at the 140.50 area, so another 100 pips down, and further 50 pips will get us to the 140 level. So we'll see. It's also no fundamental drivers next week, so all technical driven, technical analysis driven here for next week. All right. So do check out my other videos on the major pairs and spot gold and dollar yen as well. Have a safe week and have a good trading week, and cheers for now.